You've probably noticed that AI-generated talking avatars are taking over YouTube, racking up millions of views. And it's no surprise why. A few years ago, launching a channel required expensive cameras, recording yourself, and handling voiceovers manually, making the whole process overwhelming. But in 2025, starting a YouTube channel has never been easier. With AI, you can generate a talking avatar and a lifelike voiceover in just minutes, automating the entire process. And that's exactly what I'll guide you through in this video. I'll walk you through creating a high-quality avatar, customizing its appearance, animating speech, and adding a natural-sounding voiceover. Whether you're making long-format videos or shorts, by the end of this tutorial, you'll have the skills to bring your AI avatar to life and start creating engaging content. Now, if you want your avatar to be unique and stand out, you'll need a reliable tool to do the job. For this, I found an excellent platform called Humva. You'll find the link in the video description, so go ahead and open it. To get started, create an account. It's quick and easy, and you can even sign up using your Google account. Once you're in, you'll see how versatile this tool is. It allows you to create a wide range of avatars, from realistic human-like figures to animated characters, all fully customizable to match your style. Let's go step by step to create your talking avatar. First, scroll up and click on the Create Avatar button. Here, you'll get two options: Talking Photo and Custom Looks. Let's go with Custom Looks. This option lets you upload your own image, but there are a few guidelines to follow. Make sure your image is in PNG, JPG, or WebP format, doesn't exceed 10 megabytes in size, and is a front-facing, centered photo for the best results. Once you've uploaded your image, Humva will generate 4 AI-matched voices to pair with it. If you already have a voiceover, you can upload it instead by selecting the Upload Voice option. After that, your voiceover will be added to the project. With the voice ready, click Next to proceed. Here you'll need to name your avatar, for example, Test Avatar. Below that, you can select between 16:9 and 9:16 aspect ratios. For now, let's go with 16:9. You'll also find the Topics menu, a powerful feature that lets you style your avatar according to a specific theme. Choosing a topic will generate an avatar that fits that style perfectly. For this tutorial, I'll go with the Studio theme so you can see how it works. Once everything is set, click Next to start generating your avatar scenes. This process usually takes around 30 seconds. Once the images are generated, you'll see multiple variations of your avatar, all matching the selected theme. Choose up to 5 of your favorites, then click Generate Avatar to finalize the process. This step takes about 3 minutes. Click on your avatar, go to the script section, and input your text. Humva supports over 30 languages, so you have plenty of options. Make sure your script is within the 2,000 character limit. Once it's ready, hit Export. This process usually takes around 3 minutes, and then your talking avatar video will be ready to use.
Ready to turn your passion into profit? With AI by your side, your ideas can become income streams. Hit that subscribe button now and take the first step toward success.
With this AI tool, you can also create avatars in the 9:16 aspect ratio. Now let's say you want to place your avatar over any background of your choice. This is where the green screen feature comes in handy. This tool is great because it includes a green screen feature for both 16:9 and 9:16 aspect ratios. Once your avatar is generated with a green background, you can easily remove it in any video editing software to overlay your avatar onto any setting you want. If you've made it this far, chances are you're excited to create your first talking avatar. If you'd like me to cover more tools and alternatives in the future, drop a comment below. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next one.